LGVN stock, Longeveron Inc. currently up by 44.57% in this session of the 22nd of November 2021. In this session alone, it had lost 11%. It's one of the biggest decliners, but suddenly now it has fleet all of that and has now continued the extension, the rally of Friday, the 19th of November 2021. So right now it's trading at $14.5584. Momentum is strong, indicating the stock is currently overbought, but it is the fast line of that 14-period slow stochastic escalator. As things stand right now, is just slightly below the slow line. The strength is also getting dampened somewhat, but still very much bullish. Just getting some support from its 10-day moving average right now. And of course, let's remind ourselves why, amongst other things, we are here. As at Thursday, the 18th of November 2021, Longeveron got FDA's rare pediatric disease designation for Lomecel-B, an infant's heart condition. Yes, that was what was behind that rally. So the FDA, or rather the company, said on Thursday the FDA granted it a rare pediatric disease designation for Lomecel-B to treat hypoplastic left heart syndrome. Lomecel is an investigational drug that is currently being evaluated in a phase 2 trial for the rare and life-threatening congenital heart defect in infants. That's really good. That's really good. The biotech company said results from a phase 1 clinical study in patients with the disease showed that Lomecel-B was well tolerated with no major adverse cardiac events and no infections considered to be related to the investigational treatment. Yes, that is what took the stock high as much as it took it at I can't remember exactly how much it closed, but we have a price target of $17.22. That's our price target for the stock, and we're still maintaining that. We're still maintaining $17.22 as a price target. So what you're looking at right now is the 1 minute live session for the stock. It just fell slightly below its 10-day moving average, but it has pivoted from there and is now still on the move, strongly bullish there. So let's see what's going on the 15-minute chart for the LGVN. Equally strongly bullish on this chart. Let's look at the daily volume and get the volumes we are looking at right now for this session. The volume for this session is 53.787 million shares. You can see that this is the underlying trend. The underlying trend is I think it's getting bullish now. I think based on what is going on right now, you can see momentum is very strong here, very strong on this daily model, as well as the RSI is very, very strong. The stock has added some more, now trading at 14.90. Will it get to 17.22? That's our price target. Will it get there? There's every indication that it can get there. Let's see if it's optionable. Let's look at the option chart. If it's optionable, I don't think so. The gain is now 48.31%. Doesn't look like it's optionable. Let's see. Is it optionable? There are no options. It's not optionable. So let's return to that 1 minute chart. Okay, the 1 minute chart. Okay, the gain is now 49.35%, extending bullishly. Look at the volumes here. That's the sort of things that's going on. So yes, 375 up volume. Okay, more volumes. Okay, it's extending, so the volumes are greater. Now 50.05%. This is really good because this is not what is going on in the pre-market. It's going on live right now. Everybody has access to what's going on right now with LGVN. All the indicators are strongly bullish. All the moving averages we have here are strongly bullish. But it's trading at a huge premium to its volume weighted average price right now. Okay, we have an interruption on this chart. Let's see whether we can. Okay, I think it's back now. So the gain is still 50.47%. .47%, that's the gain. Let's see whether we can change, because right now this chart is out of action. Let's see whether we can reconnect to a different Wi-Fi while we're trying to update us, keep in touch with LGVN stock. Yes, okay, the gain is now 54.53, 50. Okay, you can see that strongly bullish now. Trying to cool off slightly. So let's see what this is the 1 day chart as well, the same. This is more static. Let's look at the 1 year chart. This is more of a daily chart, so we'll see what's going on there. What's the underlying trend is like. You can see shares outstanding 19.121 million shares. A very small float at the same time as well, very small float. So we're gonna get, okay, so the underlying trend, I think the stock has not been trading for a long time, yes, but it's not been trading for a long time. But here the underlying trend is saying that it's now strong, it's now bullish, The underlying trend for the stock is now bullish based on its daily chart. So right now it is just pivoted around $15.22 and trying to extend further. Momentum is cooled off just around 72.47 or 70 point. That is based on what the fast line of that 14 period stochastic oscillator is indicating. So the gain is now, okay, it's losing some of the gains, lost about 4% right now. Will it get to $17.22? We're still maintaining that price target, $17.22. Would it get there? Will it get there today or some other time? Well, today is possible. Today, the 22nd of November, it's possible it can get there. It's very, very much possible you can get there. Okay, let's look at the accumulation distribution and get an idea of what's going on. That means we have to return to the 1 day chart on the static page. This will just give us an idea of what is currently going on. You can see that there's strongly bullish. At some point, yes, we saw that it declined. It lost about 10%. This is when the market opened. This is that decline we're talking about, and then from then probably market participants felt that is a good opportunity and they bought that deep. So this is the accumulation distribution. Strongly bullish. The trend is just, you can see this steep extension. This probably occurred on Friday the 19th. You can see that. Strongly bullish. Even the trend in itself is a strongly bullish one. You can see that the trend is bullish. It has the slope of this indicator is positive. Okay, momentum for LGVN strongly bullish. The 14 period stochastic oscillator is rising as investors pay high prices for shares. Today, the last 10 days have seen significant volume in LGVN stock, with average daily volume above the average for the last year. Today's volume is no exception, with over 50 million shares having been traded already. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive, and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. So what is going on now? It's at 16.055. There's every chance it can get to 17.22. That's our price target. So we'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.